Hello everyone, it's me again, Filipinas, and today I'm going to do another presentation that revolves around our session 3 readings. The three chapters that I'm going to touch on today are Chapter 6, Establishing System Direction, Chapter 7, Setting Improvement Goals in Complex System, and Chapter 8, Fostering a Culture of Collaboration and Teamwork. So let's get started. Chapter 6 introduces us to the system's identity that revolves around vision, mission, and context that guide the behaviors of people in the organization. Chapter 6 also discussed the purpose principle that, according to Spot and Kelly 2017, a powerful tool to aid managers in identifying the right purpose to address. Purpose principle helps in defining and validating purpose that also aids in problem solving. And finally, manager's role in establishing vision that enables the member of the organization to see the entire picture. So, chapter 6 of our reading revolves around one word: purpose. Purpose is a question of why, a question all of us member of organization should ask ourselves. And to define it, we must ask critical questions like what is our vision? What is our mission? A clear understanding of this can guide us future managers in establishing direction. We must remember that purpose is our organization's reason for being. And finally, understanding and defining our organization's purpose is the very first step of our future organization's innovation journey. So now let's move on to Chapter 7, Setting Improvement Goals in Complex System. There was a lot of essential lesson covered in Chapter 7, but it all point to one specific topic, which is goals. Goals is an idea of the future or desired result that a group of people, like for example health organization, envision, plan, and commit to achieve. Chapter 7 also introduces to a variety of approaches in setting improvement goals in complex systems. These approaches help improve organizational performance and achieve organizational results. Finally, Chapter 7 also covered types of goal statements and finally, critiquing goal statements. So, similar to Chapter 6, Chapter 7 of our reading also revolves around one word, which is goal. Goals help define an organization's purpose. It assists its business growth and achieves its financial objectives. Setting specific goals can help an organization measure their progress and determine the tasks that must be improved to meet those goals. As the future managers, setting improvement goals is crucial for us to clearly grasp and understand. According to Spat and Kelly, goals needs to be specific, measurable, achievable, and timely. This is something that us managers need to master because by setting clear, realistic goals, our future organization have a clearer path to not only achieve success but also achieve increased efficiency, productivity, and profitability. Now we come to the final chapter of our discussion. This chapter gives us a glimpse about organizational culture and how it influences collaboration and teamwork. Spot and Kelly explained that organizational culture is a pattern of behavior in an organization. It includes beliefs, assumptions, values, and ways of interacting that contribute to the unique environment of an organization. Chapter 8 also discusses teams, its roles, purpose, expectation, and how it is designed. So, Chapter 8 introduces us to organizational culture that includes an organization's expectations, experiences, philosophy, as well as the values that guide member behavior. And it's expressed in member self-image, inner workings, interaction with the outside world, and of course, future expectations. Organizational culture is important for us future managers to understand because, as leaders, we must appreciate our role in maintaining or evolving an organization's culture. We must establish a culture that illustrates how our teams should behave, which in turn can help them achieve their goals that in turn ensures higher job satisfaction because of our team members will feel our presence and that we are there helping them achieve their goal. So, in the light of the discussion about purpose, goals, and teams, The biblical passage in the book of 1 Peter 2 verses 9 states that, "But you are chosen people, a royal priesthood, a holy nation, God's special possession, that you may declare the praise of him who called you out of the darkness into his wonderful light." The Bible passage offers insight into our purpose on earth and living within a meaningful mission. As future healthcare administrator and managers, we are involved in our organization. And being involved in our organization, we must strive to make a difference and give our team a sense of meaning. As the Bible states, we are chosen to guide our team so they can grow rather stagnant and to do more and do it better. So there you have it. Thank you again for watching.